Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing so let me just show you and see. So we got mint and strawberry. Let's see if you can guess what we're doing. Okay, I'm gonna prepare the dish. What's the dish, guys?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna drizzle this.
Ellie, I don't know what to say.
Why don't you just... She's gonna drizzle that first.
Tell us what was happening.
Drizzle. Come on, drizzle it. Because they're gonna be spicy on top.
I'm so scared. I wake up every morning worried that
Lean on my hand.
impact the baby. You just trying to stay calm. I just can't believe you told him to
No, do the chocolate first.
No, because it's gonna be opened. Guys, she's so silly.
I really wanted to tell you guys, but it wasn't my story to tell. Plus, I felt guilty. I was kind of involved.
So it kind of looks like toothpaste, but
I'm gonna probably do a purple.
actually it looks like pretzel.
I'm gonna do purple, Liz. I'm gonna do purple.
Yeah, Liz, there can be some in the middle. And
No,
someone
I'm gonna do purple.
Sure. Needed to know if Fiona had somewhere safe to go. If you promised
She's just taking over my channel, guys.
if I convinced you guys to let him live here.
Oops.
Sorry, Ellie. So you talked us into letting him live with us so you could keep a secret about the baby. No, you're not the one who lied. Babe, that's enough. That's enough. Now just sit down. Ellie, you need to explain yourself.
Stop putting it on your leg.
I just want to say, because I know haven't always been besties. Oh, mate. I've got to say, watching you make dumb choices over and over and over, you don't make it easy on yourself there. But you remind me of, well, me. When I was younger, before we got back together. And it looks like you're doing that now too, so good on you.
Come on, hurry up.
Here's to you.
I'm making it
And to,
drizzle
mate,
so
good to see you.
good.
Oh, dear.
Looks like worms in a pot. I'm gonna put the chocolate chips.
No, you knew, didn't you? Well, and did you guess this? After the deal with my canapes.
See, we'll be back when she's done.
Guys, I've been these, but I'll take you guys off first.
Oh, that's right. The celebrant turns up. You get told them they're getting married there and then.
Sorry, she was going to play bus
It's a strawberry, lime, blueberry, and unicorn dream.
I'm gonna split it and
Chocolate slime. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what else you want to see. Bye, guys.